Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. So in today's video it will be a little get ready with me on how I put on and style this Jamaica flag wig. So if you want to see more, make sure you stay tuned.
The sun shall not smite I by day, nor the moon by night, nor the pestilence that lurks in dark.
If you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and check out my previous video on how I actually coloured this wig. Yes, I coloured it myself on my 613 colour. I will link in the description bar below and tag right here of that video, so make sure you check it out. Comment below done once you've watched it. Right, now to get started, I have my wig cap on already and I've grabbed my Gots to Be Glued Freezing Blast spray. And then I'm gonna grab my wig. Oh my gosh guys, look at the colors I've created. I've got the yellow in the back, the green in the middle, the black on the top. Tell me this don't look like a Jamaican flag. I've actually got some highlights in the front also. So now what I'll be doing is grabbing these little tabs at the back that actually adjust the wig to make it tighter, and I'll be adjusting them to the fitness of my head. Fitness of my head, did I just make that word up? But anyways, you know what I mean. So then there's some lace in the back, so I'll be grabbing my scissors and cutting off the lace.
So I know you must be wondering, why doesn't her mouth match up with what I'm hearing? But basically I forgot to turn off the music when I was actually recording this video, so in order not to get copyrighted, I am doing a voiceover. Right, now I'm grabbing my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's in the color 365 Java. This is the same color that matches my face, so I'm going to use this to tint the lace at the bottom of the wig, and I'm putting it on with my foundation brush. So if you're wondering about the song that's playing in the background, it is by Tajay. It's called One Condition. I will link it in the description bar below. Make sure you check it out. Right, now that's all done, I'm gonna put my wig on and just adjust it to where it will be fitting on my head, and then I'm going to pull my ears forward and begin to cut the excess lace off the front. Right, so in order to cut off the lace, I will just be using a normal pair of hair scissors. As you can see, the lace really did match with my skin after putting the makeup on there, and I will be cutting off the lace with a zigzag motion, as you can see, just to make it not be a straight edge, because I believe you can see the lace a lot more when you do it with a straight edge. So I will be cutting it off with a little zigzag. Whoa, I don't know what song was playing, but obviously I was feeling it. Right, so this is one of the most tricky things to do when cutting off your lace. It's creating the ear tabs. Now in order to get this, what I did was cut almost down to the edge of the lace. Then I began to cut behind where my ear needs to be shaped out, and then I came back to the front to cut off the excess lace. It's a little confusing, but when you're doing it, you'll get what I'm saying. So now that that side is done, I am actually going to speed through the other side. So I don't know if I actually told you guys, but I did style this with one curls previously off camera. If you want to see a video of me doing or styling with one curls, comment below and I'll be sure to upload a video showing you exactly how I achieved this little curl pattern and this curl look. So now that all the lace is cut, I am actually going to grab my Gots to Be Glued and spray directly under the little air tabs part. I'm not going to put it across the whole front of my face because it is not necessary. I'm just going to do the air tabs. So once I spray it, I'm going to actually leave it for a little bit to let it dry. Then I'm going to feel if it's getting sticky and then spray another layer on top, leave that and let it dry, and do the other side whilst I'm waiting, and then go back and forth like that, if you get what I'm saying. So if you're wondering why my face looks so push up,
I'm miserable is because I am super tired. It was like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I had been up all night styling other people's hair as well. So yeah, now I'm gonna put the hair down. I checked to see if it was sticky, and now it's sticky enough, so I'm going to put the lace on top of that area. On the other side needed a bit more, so you're gonna see me still adding more Gots to Be glued spray to it. So now that both sides are stuck down, I'm just making sure that everything's looking good so far to get it ready to be styled. So I'll be using my I'll be styling it into an updo, and in order to hold the hair in that particular area, I'm going to be grabbing my Afro G mousse. This is so I can mold the hair into place, and then I'll be securing it with an elastic band. Now that that's all up and into place, I'll be using some more of the Afro G mousse to style down the baby hairs and mold them into place also. But whilst that is molding, guys, can we get into this scalp action? Comment below if you think this looks realistic. I think it looks very realistic, like it is growing out of my head. Now that all the baby hairs are down and laid, I'm just pulling out some of the curls, finger combing it through. Then I'm gonna grab my headscarf and tie it down to make sure everything is laid. Now just give me a few seconds, let me go beat my face, I'll be right back. So this is the final look, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think. Tell me if I captured the whole Jamaican flag vibe. Let me know if I got the colours right, and tell me if this is not slayed. But thank you for taking out the time to watch, guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.